All right, what's up guys? Austin from Trap Fab. Gonna be doing a little review here on this chainsaw mount we got from Iron Fox Fabrication. Nice little piece here, powder coated, black and orange. Pretty badass little logo there. Make sure you get that. So my boss Tony gifted this to me because he knew I had an assortment of chainsaws. I'm not sure if he has one. It's good to work for good people. So I'm gonna get this mounted. Let you know what I think about it. This is a saw I've been using the most lately. Nice battery powered DeWalt. And then you have the option if you want to lock. Put a padlock right there. I won't be doing that because it's safe in my garage. And I just found out Idaho was voted safest state in the nation. So that's that. No need to do a review. I mean, it's nice. It keeps the saw up off the ground. It's handy. Work for my big wood boss as well. I don't use this guy as much, so I'll keep it in the shed and keep this DeWalt one handy.